I can remember when we visited Australia, we took a boat ride out by the Barrier Reef, and it was wintertime in Australia. Summertime in America, wintertime in Australia. We took a boat ride along the Great Barrier Reef, and the waves were rather enormous. My family all got horribly seasick, except me. And the reason for that is because I happen to love ginger. Hey, it's Dr. Toger, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon. And I can't say that I am a ginger. My hair's not really red. I'm more of a cinnamon person in my complexion. But I love ginger. It's one of my favorite things to eat, whether it's ginger beer or ginger ale or ginger candy or dried ginger. I ginger it up, especially when I travel. For whatever reason, to me, that's my go to. I know. I'm also the person who likes black licorice. So just saying. Ginger. Well, I've been eating ginger this whole trip because we were traveling and I was fine. I didn't have a problem at all. And of course, this maybe 6 or 7 years ago, before I really started investigating herbal supplements and natural forms of medicine. I was in the process of designing a med spa as kind of a side hustle to my surgical practice because I talk so much about digestive health and nutrition. So, curious on why I was the only person not puking, to the internet, did a quick little search. And yes, it's the ginger. Ginger is an amazing digestive support, especially if you're a little nauseated. When you travel, ginger is fantastic. One of the ways you can get ginger in your life is by way of tea. There's a lot of different ways you can get ginger into your diet, but a ginger tea at night, especially if you're a little under the weather or if you suffer a little bit with digestive issues, you're going to find ginger to be a very helpful supplement to you. And so that's one of the reasons I suggest mytearunners.com. They've got a turmeric ginger, anti inflammatory and good for digestive health. Hope you guys try that out.